First thing we're gonna do is take off the old clip-ons and put on the new ones. Two-star bolts right here. We're just gonna go ahead and pop that out. Alright, and in your bag of bolts, you're gonna look for these two. And this one. So then you're gonna find these two plugs in the bag. And then this is your bracket right here. We're just gonna put it right through these two holes. gave you, and we're just gonna put it in there and have this bracket hold it on, so it's a little bit neater. So now back to the front, we're gonna have these things right here. They should come in one package. They kind of meet each other, and this is how we're gonna hide the wires right here. Alright, so there's a third bracket hole in here. You have one of these rubber pieces with a nut in there. You're gonna put this in and then have a 12mm clamp onto the side, on the other side. So underneath here, we can see some tabs. What you're gonna do is you're gonna have these two clips right here. We're gonna stick them in here so that the bolt can go through and hold it for this other bracket I'm about to show you. All right, now we got some of these clip looking things. Basically, it's gonna go behind this hole and it's just there to hold your wire. Nothing more than that. So on my bike, I do have an aftermarket signal. I'm just gonna stick it through the big hole and then it's gonna go over here this way. Alright, one more of the clips went down here. You can kind of see it. And now we're just gonna take apart the fairing, unwrap it, and put them on. There's some more clips that go in there, and I'll show you that. This is the left fairing. We're gonna have him just be right here, here, and here, kind of like in a triangle. And then we got two more holes right here. There's like these little rubber cap things. The center cap is going to be around 66 foot-pounds. Alright, now we're going to tighten up the upper clamp bolt. It's supposed to be around 20 Newton meters, which is also around 14-15 foot-pounds.